Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, and the most important thing is actually the internet connection. And if you only intend to check for the updates, you can use either Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'd like to download the update, if you will find the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi because the update files are quite large and it is not the best idea to use mobile data. So after making sure that you've got the internet connection, let's enter the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down almost to the very bottom, actually to the very bottom, to find system updates. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on check for updates, and as you can see, your device is checking. Basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. As you can see, you will get relevant information, and the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.